Sunday. Woo! First day of the week. I don't know how you guys do it every single morning, waking up to the traffic jam, but you guys are awesome. So I hope you guys have a productive day today. You know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so my video vlog is uploaded from yesterday on YouTube. We went to the beach as well as Facebook. Go check it out, you know what it is. And if you're interested in any of my nutrition services, let me know. Let me help you with your dietary and lifestyle changes, guys. Known as Didi, and today I'm here to talk to you about sleep, guys. So I was doing a video for collaboration with IC Health Solutions for sleep apnea awareness, and I'm gonna head down south soon after lunch. I have like a $50 special to do in Gasperlo, and then I have somebody who wants to cook booklets. So let's see how it goes. Message me if interested in my simple quick and easy booklet. Simple quick and easy. Or if you're interested in my nutrition services, Shaping Didi program, my kuchela, or my breakfast product, let me know. Aww, baby, baby. Him. Love you, babies. So cute. They're the best ever. Best. What did some time with sis and baby boy, and now we're going to my $50 special. Gosh guys, that traffic in Gasperlo is like the worst thing ever. Just dropped mom off to her exercise sesh, and I have to type up this body composition assessment now. If you guys are interested in my $50 special, just message me on any social media link. Alrighty guys, I'm home and I'm gonna just have some nuts before I type up some more things. But I typed up my $50 special and sent it off already, and I also sold a cookbooklet today. If you guys are interested in my cookbooklet, please message me or my other products or services. Today was Monday. Typical Monday. Spent a lot of time with baby boy and sis. He's growing up so fast. Oh my gosh, so cute. Love him so much. Yeah, he's definitely gonna be tall. Well, sis is tall because his body is like nearly half of my body already. I'm short, yeah. I still have to check my emails and send off a few just to make sure that I get this class settled, at least a location for my diabetes educator course. And I also did the video I need to finish editing and send over. I had cheese pizza for dinner. Oh my goodness. Not the best thing in the world. But I just had like 1.5 slices, 1 to 2 slices, so it wasn't too bad. It's all about portion control and understanding how to balance your day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. As always, guys, remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.